Sorry. How do I log on to people again? What's this one?
요래.
There's an answer over 1,000 pieces now. That's kind of odd. Well, I think that'll be easy. Just like that. Here. Is it one of the trees? Maybe I save. Let me save first. What the fuck is it? It's honestly not Hi, Peggy, welcome to the stream. Hi, curious. Mind if I do a selfie search? What if I just give him my pistol? I really want to give him my pistol and just see what it does. What's that? Photon, blade, marlin. I got a fish. I got swords. Let's give him my balls. Here's my. Whoa, this looks really dangerous. What do you use this for, Kiryu-san? It's not dangerous at all. Everyone carries this sort of thing around. No, they don't. I'm beginning to suspect it might be a threat to public safety, Kiryu-san. Tell me what it's for. Wait, you guys are riding pistol. It's complicated. It has a very specific use. And what
Nope.
would that be? It's like. It's Oh, right. I see.
NANI?!
고미捨てて.
Where is it? I don't know. I was walking and it just kind of happened. I just gotta go down on the street. That's why we have legs. He's a nice person. Let's get this guy. One of these streets activates the lights and traffic. Where's this BDSM play quest? Is it this one? No, there was like a lady. Oh, here it is. I found it. Let's see a I mean, man, what people do in the privacy of their own rooms is one thing.